Today, I'm reviewing the A Premium AD200 Professional OBD2 scanner, a powerful diagnostic tool designed to help everyday drivers and DIY mechanics take control of their car's health and save serious money. Stick around because this scanner might be all you need in your glove box. Product features. The A Premium AD200 is far more advanced than basic OBD2 scanners. It comes packed with 15+ built-in diagnostic functions, including reading and clearing engine trouble codes, IM readiness checks for smog or emissions tests, EVAP and O2 sensor testing, freeze-frame data, live data streaming. One standout feature is its ability to read up to 50 real-time data points, like engine RPM, coolant temperature, battery voltage, oil temperature, fuel pressure, airflow rate, and even transmission gear status. That means you're not guessing, you're seeing what your car is actually doing. Instead of boring numbers, the A Premium AD200 displays live data as visual graphs, making it much easier to spot unusual behavior and diagnose problems faster. It also includes one-click vehicle info, allowing you to instantly retrieve your VIN, CID, and CVN. Super helpful for record keeping or professional diagnostics. The 2.4-inch full-color screen is bright and easy to read, and the extra physical buttons make navigation simple. There are even dedicated hotkeys: IM button for quick emissions readiness checks, Help button that explains codes, data streams, and test results. To top it off, the A Premium AD200 uses 3 warning lights. Green means everything looks good, yellow means a minor issue, not urgent, and red means a serious problem that needs attention. And yes, you can generate and print diagnostic reports to share with your mechanic. Pros and cons. Pros. Works with most vehicles from 1996 to 2024 across North America, Europe, and Asia. It supports all major OBD2 protocols, extremely detailed live data and visual graphs, fast processor about 3 times faster than entry-level scanners, durable build with a long 3.9-foot cable, easy for beginners yet powerful enough for DIY mechanics, and easy for beginners yet powerful enough for DIY mechanics. Cons: it focuses mainly on engine diagnostics, not full system scanning like ABS or airbags. Slightly more expensive than basic code readers, but you get way more features. Overall, the A Premium AD200 is an excellent investment if you want reliable diagnostics without paying shop fees every time a warning light comes on. It's perfect for beginners, DIY car owners, and even side hustle mechanics who want professional-level data in a simple, easy-to-use tool. If this review helped you, hit the like button, subscribe for more smart car tips, and check the product link in the description below to see the latest price on the A Premium AD200. Thanks for watching, and remember, the more you know about your car, the more money stays in your pocket.